Hi, Jim.
Hi.
Jim, do you know the age least likely to wear a seatbelt is age 13 to 20 years old?
I did not know that mysterious voice.
Of the teens that died in car crashes in 2012, 55% weren't wearing seatbelts.
Really?
But Jim, seatbelts save lives.
I know, but they look uncool.
Somebody call 911!
Uh-oh, Jim should have worn a seatbelt.
Who's saying that?
What happens to a person in a car crash when they don't wear a seatbelt?
A lot of things can happen. They can get ejected out of the car. They can hit their head on the windshield or go through the windshield. Serious injury and death can occur.
How important is the seatbelt in preventing teen auto deaths?
I say it's the most important thing in preventing teen deaths and auto crashes. If people would just take the extra 10 seconds to put their seatbelt on, it could be the difference between saving their life or not.